Hello everybody, this is Reagan and this is
Logan.
And today we are going to be making some cool Oobleck.
What is Oobleck?
A solid and a liquid. We have cornstarch and water. Now you get to learn how to do it with us.
What do you do first?
Do not look at my bag. It's ripped.
Yes.
What's in there?
Cornstarch.
What are you going to add next?
Coloring food.
And water. Logan, you may start with Logan, let me do them to you. So get the colors that you want out. Okay, so Logan's gonna put all the colors in, but don't do anything. Okay, so what you need for this
It's cornstarch.
project is cornstarch, a plastic bag or container, and water, which is very wet. So I thought you were supposed to add it to the water.
No.
Okay. So first, Logan's gonna add the coloring food into the bag.
The bag, okay. We're back.
And no, Logan, don't say we're back. We're not back. We only
We're
finished this video. So yeah. Now, Logan, we're gonna add water.
Yeah.
Now we are going to add some water to Logan's little cornstarch mixture that you cannot see anymore. Okay, so open it like.
I want to pour the pour. Keep pouring.
Logan, tell them what colors you put in.
I put yellow, green, and blue.
Should you start out with that? I think you should just start out with that.
Yeah.
Okay, Logan, close it. And now all you do is mix it up like this. Ooh, it's turning green.
That's great. I mean, that's terrible.
So if after a little while of taking out water, there was a hole in our bag, so we had to do that too. And this is sort of what it is. It's kind of watery, but if you feel it, which you definitely can't through the camera, it's like cornstarchy how it's feeling.
Yeah. It's thick.
But if you add a lot, then
Let's
it
open up
becomes
the
very
bag.
white, and that's usually more cornstarchy. So you have a lot of cornstarch. But you could always do that too. You could always add more
So what is this called again?
Oobleck. You can always
Oobleck.
experiment with Oobleck. It's very fun.
It was super fun, super easy. 3 ingredients.
Very hard though.